Hello everybody, welcome back to another Tanker Brewing video, and today we have the porter tasting, don't we?
We do, mate.
We used Emperor hops, which are relatively new strain, aren't they?
Yeah. Sorry, I was just checking the mic was plugged in.
Well, I was going to say what you... Yeah, so we used Emperor hops with this because we saw one of the profiles for it was like an aniseed.
Yeah, it's like herbal
aniseed.
Yeah, like licoricey. I think it was orange peel, herbal, and something else.
Yeah.
I don't know if that was licorice or aniseed.
I think they tried to say there was some red fruit in there as well, but I don't know what red fruit it was.
No.
And if it is a red fruit, it's probably black and made of aniseed. Yeah, so obviously if you aren't part of the Tanker Brewing group, we've been building Ben's garage into a home bar.
/ brewing area.
So far I'd say we're about a third of the way.
Yeah.
In 3 days. And we'll probably put some photos in and around.
Yeah.
Ben will do that. I don't know what I'm doing with that. That's kind of a little life update. The garage is coming along really well in it.
It is.
You know, we've framed it all out, insulated it, and we've boarded up one side. So after that, there's the roof and
everything
else, bar,
flooring.
second fix,
electrics,
you name it.
But we're getting there.
We are getting there. We're doing all right. Anyway, we've had quite a few pints of this already, haven't we?
Yeah. So this is very much bottom of the cask, innit? Bottom of the bag.
bottom of the bag, bottom of the barrel, as I'd say.
The head on the points that we've had previously do stay, but I think because it's like sucking through a load of air.
Yeah, I think it's...
Yeah, the bag is literally like all compressed up.
It's
it's done for.
It might look like your private regions after you've been in the shower for too long.
Yeah.
And we're just using, Ben's using these brew in the bag things to test them out, because it's ideal for now because you can move it around and play about with it and its flexibility. So,
absolutely.
So we actually started to run out of beer.
Yeah.
Ben done about 6 pints of it in the other night in, and then each day after we've finished work on the garage, we've probably had one or two each. So we're now at the bottom of the bag, so we went, oh crap, we better do this tasting video. So here we are.
Bit thrown together. So the beer itself, show you. Looks like a porter. Smells like a porter.
With hints of...
It's definitely got aniseed herbal to it, hasn't it?
Yeah, so if you like licorice sweets, it really is a treat to behold.
It is.
I'm not a massive fan of licorice, but I like that.
Yeah.
I don't know why, because I've never been a licorice fan, but it's just something. It's a mild licorice.
Yeah.
From the hops, so it's lovely.
Yeah, it's got that dark flavour that a port should have, but not overpowering, is it? That's the beauty with putting them dark malts in the last 15 minutes. We found it's not.
Yeah.
Stupidly like overpowering on dark malt flavour.
Yeah.
So, which is what we did with here. So the dark malts went in the last 15 minutes of the mash.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's still come out a cracking colour.
Yeah. And I think maybe some fuggles in there, a bit of mint as well as the aniseed. I think this might even be like a fuggles variant from how it is.
Yeah.
But yeah.
It comes from is it Opus?
Opus.
Yeah. It comes from that. I think it does. Yeah. Off the top of my head, yeah. That's what it was designed off. It's the brother of that.
Yeah.
Or sister hop.
Brother, sister. I think they're all female, aren't they?
Yeah.
They don't use the male variants.
No.
So they're all sisters, and they're all inbred. But yeah, so it came out to about 4.something%.
I'll put it here.
Yeah, Ben will put it up after he's done the OG and FD calculations and put in them. Unfortunately, we're having to stagger our videos to get content out there, and we're kind of doing like a vlog, 50% like a vlog style. Vlog. A vlog. It's not even a word.
It is.
It's a vlog.
Okay. Vlog.
It's a vlog.
With a vlog.
Isn't it?
Vlog.
If you're in the early 2000s.
Am I showing my age?
Yeah.
So yeah, now I mean, we've really enjoyed it, haven't we? This beer. I mean,
it's gone down. It's been perfect.
So much that we haven't got any left, and it's only been a few days. And that's the only problem with having cask at home is does it last very long? Does
Obviously, it was on cask, so it was conditioned for a shorter amount of time as it would be for a keg.
Yes. And it's also nicer than it would be if it.
Yeah, I think this went on the cask. Normally we leave them 7 days. I put this on after day 5 because I'd got no beer. And was like, wow, that's ready, and we've absolutely smashed through it, haven't we?
Yeah.
Last few days.
And that's the amazing thing with serving beer on cask. You don't have to wait a month, 6 weeks,
it's almost
8
better
weeks.
Fresh, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it is. So we love having cask on. It's probably our most drank beer and the one that we circulate through the most and enjoy the most drinking, don't we?
Yeah.
Obviously we enjoy our keg beers, but
cask is king.
Cask is king.
Yeah.
So
this will be coming on the website at some point. We just need time to get it out, don't we?
Yes.
We're on, as of today, we go back on opposite shifts for a few weeks, don't we? So we're not going to have a chance to get together till the end of the month, are we? So as soon as we get together, it'll be on there.
So at the moment, it's work, build, work, build, work, build, build, work, build, build, work.
Website,
work, build, edit, work, build.
Yeah, literally.
Video, work, build, brew, video. So in that order. Yeah. So no, I'd just like to say a big thank you. I think we're up to like over 700 subs now.
It's grown recently.
Thank you, everyone.
So yeah, just shout out everyone that supports, everyone that comments every video, everyone in the group. If you're not in the group, Tankard Brewing, the group.
Then I'll put a little scroll through on
it. Have a look for that and just come join. We've got all the lads in there.
Yeah.
And lasses now.
Yeah, we need to make sure we say that a bit.
Just coming away and having a laugh, so appreciate it. So
yeah.
Thank you very much. This is a corker.
Yeah.
Yeah. With
our tasting videos, I always seem to think it's kind of silly because I don't like to do a big in-depth one, really.
No.
You know, we don't like to break down individual components, do we?
If it's good, we're drinking it. If it's bad, it's going down the drain.
Call me old school, but I drink it before I start sniffing it.
So, but no, I'm dead pleased with that. Absolutely.
Yeah. Lovely. It's nice and soft, no acidity at all. You know, very smooth, liquorish, soft mouthfeel.
Yeah.
Absolutely smashable.
It is. Right, we'll leave it there. Thank you very much. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe. See you soon.